best weekend getaway ever. Ever. Hey, 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 look at Tyler dancing. You start dancing like this. Dance.
Le boucher la cloche. Donc, faites vos choix. Alors, nous avons un jeu. On veut bien touche. Pas de touche. Allez, Colotard. On y touche. Ouais. Continuez. Touche. Ça va vite. On garde. Allez, comme la peau. Pas de touche. Continuez. Pas de touche. Oui.
You guys, so we are going on a ride. We are taking this and we are gonna go all the way up to the top, but I think this one is going to take us halfway to right here, and then we're gonna take another one from here to up. So let's go. Come on, up. Go, go. Yeah. Oh, there's no seat. Close it.
No, it's gonna close by itself.
Yeah. Oh my god! Tyler, look! Whoa! We're going up, up, up. Look at that big jumbo mosquito. Oh shoot! We're in here alone. I thought she was in here with us. Oh my god! Babe, you look scared.
No.
Babe looks so scared. Oh my god. Look at Tyler. Whoa, Tyler, look! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's like a roller coaster ride. Oh, so we're gonna come off here. So where's the other one that we're gonna take?
At the same place.
Oh, this is so cool. We're in the sky. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's the first time. This is so cool, you guys. We're in the sky. So good. Oh my gosh. Wow, we're about to land. Oh, it's a golf course down there and a biking trail. Whoa, look at Tyler's face. Ty, you're having so much fun. Look at him. He's laughing. Tyler, look. It's going in. It's going in. It's going in. Whoa. You guys, we just finished our first ride and we're gonna take the second ride and go all the way to the top. I'm so excited. And now we are going to go all the way up there. Oh my god, this is gonna be so much fun. Come on baby, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Wow, it's so crazy. You excited, Papa? You excited? Hmm?
Avec mon petite vitesse, il va nous faire profiter du paysage. Voilà, ça se monte. Voiture. Hop là, on a 2000. Ça s'appelle le pilote 2000, celui-là. Ah ouais? Un peu plus que qu'on a en hauteur.
Honey, camera's on.
It was so good.
So we reached to the top.
That view, and it's a little bit chilly, surprisingly. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, it's weird! Oh my gosh! Oh my
Yeah, we will do so bad this biking things. Here, it looks so fun. It's like a little lake.
It's right down there.
And zoom when I...
Yes, with this. Wow.
It's very beautiful.
This is the best weekend getaway ever. Ever. I never thought that it would look like this. Again, I would definitely come since yesterday if I knew that I would be seeing all this. But I didn't know what to expect and Babe didn't tell me, so now I regret not coming from yesterday, but it's the best weekend getaway. Thank you, babe, for this weekend. Nature boy, my nature boy. Go, baby, go. Up the hill. Up that hill. Uh-oh. It's okay. Ah, why? Let Mama kiss it for you. It's okay. Let me see. Let me see. All right. It's okay. Yeah. Take your time. Take your time or else you're gonna fall again, okay? He's enjoying the wind. Babe carrying the stroller in his hand. Die this way, baby. Don't go too close. Stop. Come on. Go. Don't run. Walk. Tyler, don't run. Hey guys, so we are back from our adventure that we did just now, and we had lunch. We had a good time out exploring. Tyler is really a bit tired, so we bring him back to our cabin for a nap. So he's actually taking a nap right now, and I think we are about to do just that, and then we're going to head back out in a bit to continue our adventure. So we will see you guys in part 2. It's now 6:30 to be exact, and it's still sunny outside, as you guys can see. Sunny, and it's still hot, but it starts to feel a little bit chilly. Thank you, baby. Hold on, soon get your water. My baby wants water. There you go. What do you say? You're welcome. Starting to get a little bit chilly, so we didn't get that memo that it would be chilly, so babe I went inside for Tyler blanket just in case that he might need it. So we are now on our way to the town, which we are in the town, but our cabin is kind of on a hill, so we rather to drive than to walk. So we're heading to the center of the town, where there should be some activities going on. Thank you, honey. Damn, you almost finished it. There should be some kind of activities going on, so we're going to try and see if we can catch some and have dinner at the same time. So that's the plan for the rest of the afternoon, along with whatever surprise may come along our way. I'm seeing everybody with sweater throwing over their shoulders. We're the only one that didn't get that sweater memo, and we have no sweater. We dress like we're in the Caribbean right now. We didn't carry any sweater, but that's okay. That's not going to stop us from have fun, and that's not going to stop us from going out and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful place. So without further ado, let go. We're at dinner, and this is mine. I'm having duck with fries. That's Tyler's. He's having nuggets and fries, and that's Babe. Babe, what you having? What is that?
It's called tartiflette.
What is it made of?
It's pomme de terre,
It's potatoes,
bacon, cheese.
Ooh, that's all like you. And he having salad and bread, of course. So we're about to go up right now, and Tyler already started. You guys, so our day is actually coming to a close. We finished eating, and right now I am talking to you and looking normal, but I am freezing, literally freezing. It's like winter in summer. Babe, tell him how much you're cold.
I'm not winter.
Baby, you're not cold?
Yeah, I'm cold, but I'm not like in winter. I mean,
really,
I
honey?
just need a little
But
sweater.
doesn't this feel like winter? It doesn't feel like
Feels
spring?
like spring or
It feels like
fall.
spring. Oh, I'm freezing, literally. I wish you guys could see the bumps on my hand. Everybody is walking with sweater and stuff like that, and I was wondering, why is everybody having sweater? I guess we didn't get the memo to bring sweater, because we thought that the fact is it is summer, though we're in the mountains. I didn't expect it to be this cold. I'm freezing. I'm literally shaking. But in the day, it's hot. But I'm freezing. Look at Tyler behind me. It's so cold. French word or expression for today is
montagne. Mountain is mountain in English, so
okay.
It's kind of close.
So it's montagne.
Right, mountain.
Hey! So the Jamaican expression for today is dry foot gal. It's because I'm cold why I'm saying dry foot gal. So if your foot is ashy and it needs some moisturizer, somebody going to say to you, you are dry foot gal. Come baby, say the Jamaican expression.
Dry gal.
Dry foot gal.
Dry food gal.
Yes, means
foot
I need
food.
Foot.
Food. Okay, dry food.
Yes.
Dry food gal.
Yes.
I heard that you cold.
No, I need lotion on my foot.
Okay, okay.
Go. Go. You catch him. This boy, he wants the camera. Come, let's go. Come on. He's so happy. Look at him. All right, you guys. it's the end of the day basically, and we're just going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoy your little romantic weekend getaway. We're having such a good time, and tomorrow is actually going to be another awesome day. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Tyler, come say bye-bye. Come here. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera. Give them kisses. Give them kisses. Say bye.